Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to LA, California. Let's go around the famous place in LA, the Beverly Hills, and of course the Radio Drive, and also in the end, Venice Beach. We rented a car in LA and let's see how we get to explore LA and the Hollywood. So pretty though. Where are we going?
There. I'm just gonna take pictures.
So pretty though. Where are we going?
There. I'm just gonna take pictures.
Picture time. So we are going to this what's the name? You know the store?
Edible. No, you say like we go to this famous smoothie place where the Hailey Bieber,
Yeah.
Kylie Jenner were drinking that smoothie.
So we're going to this store where Kylie Jenner and Hailey Bieber's Hailey Bieber's it's in they go for famous juice
Cares about that?
smoothie.
You're allowed to
So
celebrate.
we're going there too. We'll try out, but it's $20. Let's see, it's worth it. I'm getting there. So busy. Where did we go? English.
Hailey Bieber glowing smoothie. Hello.
When these fires were going on, I read that all these palm trees are not native to California and LA. They're all plant artificial.
Really?
Yeah, they're not native here. They were brought from Middle East or whatever. And this is what is LA known for, no? And Palm Springs.
And here is our next stop, the famous Walk of Fame, where all the famous celebrity names are engraved on the streets. So enjoy. Oh my god, I won an Oscar award. And the Oscar goes to me. Oh.
They know this, by the way.
Oh, look at Pink. Pink is so she's gone.
Leaving in 15 minutes. 2 hours.
Are now in Santa Monica. Look at this. Whoever put the eye on this plant is so creative. Looks like a bird, no? Like peacock. Ooh. Look at this bird. So cute. Oh wow, so like. Oh my god, it's a Barbie house. Oh, that's one bird. Via Santa Monica la Pier de Jassy. Yedi na. Music videos kan One Direction kan be they were la music video shoot kurshi. So I'm excited to show you guys. Such a beautiful place. We're going right there. And our next stop is Venice Beach, one of my favorite. I had so much fun here, so enjoy. It's wild out here. And that's about my layover in LA, California. I hope you enjoyed. Please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.